Here I have INFINIX Zero 5 and let me show you how to enter here the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key. Here let's slide to power off. Let's wait a few seconds. Then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as INFINIX logo pops up on the screen. That's it, the factory mode just pops up in front of you. So let's wait for the menu. And here you can navigate by using both volume keys. Let's scroll down and for example you can here perform the auto test, item test, you can see the G sensor calibration, you can check the version. Let me for example check the version of the device, press power key. This is the version. If you would like to go back, let's use volume up. Here you can also perform the factory data reset, but let's just be careful with that operation because you will lose all your data. In my case, let me choose reboot. Reboot is the only way to quit this mode, so let me press power key to confirm it. Let's wait a few seconds. That's it, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.